Google and Microsoft are both giving away free AI art tools, but which of them actually delivers? Let's find out. So in this video, we'll be doing a comparison of both of them. So we'll be checking their image quality, their speed of generation, their customization, and so on. So before I begin with this comparison, if you are new here on my channel, kindly give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. So the first thing we are going to look at is the image quality. So I'm going to give ImageFX a prompt, and I'm going to give Bing a prompt as well. So we are going to look at the image they generate to us, the quality and some stuff. So this is the prompt. I've given it to ImageFX, and this is the images they are giving me. So you can see this type of images are for social media and for logos. They are very much eye-catching and attention-grabbing. They are photorealistic. So when it comes to this section, I'm going to give the quality to ImageFX. But then let's come to Bing here and let's try give it a prompt and let's see. So this is the same prompt, joyful scene. You can see this is joyful scene. This is the same prompt. And when it comes to Bing, I noticed something here. I think I noticed artistry here. So you can see the image is more artistic, something like that. You can see this too as well. But then when it comes to ImageFX, it's more sharper, attention grabbing, something like that. So with this, I'm going to go with ImageFX when it comes to the image clarity and image quality. But then it's up to you to choose the one you want. So now let's move to the second option. The second option is going to be the speed limit. So now let's come here, let's copy this prompt and now let's clear it. So with the speed prompt or the speed limit 2, I think ImageFX is going to win because this AI generates images faster compared to Bing. Bing is going to take a lot of time to load. If your internet is bad, you are going to sit down for a long time for the image to load. I think they pay more attention to details. That's why your images are going to take a lot of time to load. So when it comes to speed limit, I'm going to go with ImageFX, and also they have no daily limit. So you can see here, there are no limits here. So if I generate 30 images today, there will be no limit. But then for Bing, there are limits. You can see 15/15 fast creations. So after the 15 fast creation, it's going to be slow. I'm even saying this is slow. After this fast 15/15, when you generate 15 images, it's going to, recount itself from 0 and the rest, and it's going to be very, very, very slow. So in every day, you have like 15 fast creations, something like that. So now let's move to the third option. The third option we are going to look at is customization. So with customization too, I think both of them is there because these are all AI, so you can give them prompts. And so I think this AI, they cannot always generate the exact thing you want. So this AI doesn't really make sense. But then I think both of them is the same. Bing is going to do the same thing too. You can see Bing is going to do. So here I think Bing is accurate here, but then sometimes they do the same thing. I use both of them, so sometimes they do the same thing. So this is AI. So for the customization wise, I'm going to say the prompt you give it is going to determine the type of image they're going to give you. If your prompt is more complex, the image is going to be some way. So now let's look at the last option. So both of them allows commercial use. So this is free and ImageFX is also free as well. So with this, from what I read about ImageFX, they add no logo, but then from Bing, they are saying there is an invisible logo on it. So when they get hold of the image, they can know this image was generated by Bing. I don't really know, but they are saying it's an invisible watermark something. That's what I read about it. So when you, open the image, I'm not going to see any watermark, but then from what they are saying it's an invisible watermark. But then for ImageFX, just like you can see, there are no watermarks yet. Maybe there will be a watermark in the future, but then for now, there is no watermark. So that's it. So with my conclusion and my verdict, I'm going to say if you want speed and then realism, you should go with Google ImageFX, speed and realism, because when you paste it here and your internet is very much faster, you are going to, generate fast images and you don't have any limit. You can go as much as you want. If you want 30 images today, you can generate them. And realism too, you can see this is social media friendly, catches attention. See, this also catches attention. You can see the quality and the color of the images is very much attention grabbing. And also if you want to go for artistry, you can see there are people that like images like this. They want to see a lot of things in the image, which I don't really like. So when you're creating kit videos and create content, I think you should go with Bing Image Creator because it comes with a lot of artistry. You can see shiny stuff in the background, which you're not going to see same on ImageFX. So this is something that kids will love when they see it from afar. They are just going to notice it and then fall in love with it. So that's it for the comparison of both Google Image Effects and Bing AI. If you are new here, try to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel, and also let me know your take in the comment section below. And if you have any AI you think I should talk about, you can drop it. I'm going to do that.